In this video, you're going to learn how to make these amazing slides in PowerPoint using the morph transition. After learning this, you'll be able to use this on any slides of your choice. So let's get started. You see here we have a blank PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to get rid of everything that's here. We'll start from scratch. First things first, you right click on this slide and click on this format background button. Here I'm going to click on picture or texture. Then I'll click on the insert. Then here I'll scroll down. I've downloaded a picture that I'm going to use, and here it is. You're going to use a picture of your choice. I'm just inserting this one in my case. Now I'm going to draw a shape on top of it, so I'll click on insert and come to shapes. Here select the rectangle and draw a rectangle on top of this slide like so, and change the color to white, the shape view to white, and also the outline to none. No outline. Then I'm going to draw a text box on top of this, so we can click on the shapes here and choose the text box option here and draw the text box and type home. Highlight the text in this, come here and just type 220 so it's big like this. I use a different font. This font is Mozart Black. Use this same font so we get the same results. After this, I'm going to select the shape first, then I'll select the text later. I'm selecting these two things so we can combine them. After selecting these two, I'll click on the shape format, and then I'll come down here where we have insert shapes group. We have this option here which is called merge shapes. When you click on this, you're going to see different options. What you want is the subtract. You click on that, it's going to subtract the text so you can see the image behind. This is now one shape here. What we want is to apply some effects to it so this text is visible. When you select this, you right click on it and come to format shape. It's going to open this panel here. On this panel, you want to click on this effects button. When you click on that, you're going to see the shadows, and on the shadows here you click on these presets. Choose the first option, play around with these so you get what you're looking for. Close this. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, so right click on it and duplicate it. After duplicating it, I'm going to resize this shape because now this is a shape. I can move it around. It's a shape. I want to resize it so it becomes big, such that the entire slide is going to fit in one of these letters. To do this nicely, you're going to click on the shape format. After selecting this, then you're going to change these values here. I'm using the inches here. I'll put 130. Put 130 here, and also here it's going to be 200 inches. Just to make this big. Now when you zoom out, you're going to see parts of these letters down here. I want you to move this shape around until you can see the slide in all of these letters. Just adjust your slide properly so it looks like this. When you're done with this, you click on the transition whilst this slide is still selected, and here you're going to apply the morph transition like that. When we try to see this in action, it's going to look very beautiful the way we want it to. This is our first slide, and when you try to go to the next slide by pressing on next, you see that beautiful good looking transition. When you click on the previous button so you can see the previous slide, it comes back like that nicely. So this is how we can easily create a beautiful good looking transitions in PowerPoint using the morph transition. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions about PowerPoint or anything that you want me to create, please leave the request down in the comment section. I'll respond to you. Once again, subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.